subscribe to the channel. Touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It is the way Auntie Clair do her oxtail. Okay? I put jerk sauce. My own jerk sauce that I make. You can see I have my own too that I bring up. I'm gonna put my brown in. Everything on it. You can see it. Okay? So like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. This is the way I do it. The oxtail. You can see it. Lots. Big dish. So don't forget to touch the button. Tell a friend. To tell a friend. And touch the notice button. Okay? So this is it. Peace out. Like it, share it. I'm gonna do oxtail and some chicken.